So the problem says tricarbon octahydride and oxygen gas. Okay. So to figure out what type of reaction it is, sometimes you can tell by looking at, hey, I think that's a couple oxygen gas, that's a single, so this is a single replacement. Okay. If you struggle doing it that way with the words, that's okay. Just break it down and write the formula. You need to do that anyway to solve the problem. Tri means 3, so 3 carbons, C3. Octa means 8, 8 hydrides, or hydrogens, because remember the I just means it's a binary, or a 2-element compound. Okay. C3H8 gas plus oxygen gas, Brinkelhoff, he needs 2. Okay, this is the combustion equation because I have a hydrocarbon in oxygen environment, so it's going to combust or burn. So combustion. Combustion's products are always carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and water, which is a liquid. We set up our table, CHO. Remember, it always has to be CHO for combustion because you have to balance the first, then balance the second, then balance the third in alphabetical order. So you're going to balance your carbons first, and then balance your hydrogens, and follow up with your oxygens. And there's a pretty neat code. 1, 2, 3 is always what the products are if you're writing it correctly, so that you remember, balance the carbons first, go to the side that's least, and change it till there's 3 carbons in this case. So now I have 3 carbons on the left and 3 carbons on the right. Then balance your H's. Go to the side with the least. I have 2, I need 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Now that messed up my oxygen, so don't forget about doing that because you might think, oh, I have an even-odd situation here. Make sure you have the most up-to-date even-odd situation. I have 3 times 2, or 6 oxygens in the carbon dioxide, and 4 times 1, or 4 oxygens in the carbon dioxide. So I actually have 10 oxygens on the right. So I go to the left side. What times 2 is 10? 5 times 2 is 10. And remember, if you have to have a fraction there, keep it in fraction form at first, and then multiply all your coefficients by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So in combustion problems with oxygen, it's okay to have a fraction there to start, to make your balance, and then multiply all by 2. We don't have to do that here. So it's 1 tricarbon octahydride gas plus 5 oxygen gas yields 3 carbon dioxide gases and 4 water liquids.